Hey, do you want to learn how to install models in Ollama on your PC locally? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First of all, you need to install Ollama. So you could do it two ways. I'm going to open up my Chrome browser, and then on it, I can go over to ollama.com. So you need to go over here. Then you can scroll down and click on download Ollama from here. It's going to give you this option right here to download for Windows. This is a button. You can click on it and you can install the desktop app for Ollama. Or you could use this code right here. You can copy it and open up PowerShell and paste it inside it. And it's going to install the native version of Ollama on your PC. Now, in my opinion, I would go with this Windows app so you can install it. Now, once you've done it, you need to go over to Start menu and type in CMD on top. And then this is going to be the first match. I'm going to press on the right click and run it as an administrator. Now in this command prompt, I'm going to first type in Ollama -- version, which is going to show us our version that is installed. So if it says command not found, that means you have not yet installed Ollama on your PC. So you need to make sure that you have installed it correctly or not. It may be a bug or something, so you need to repair it or reinstall Ollama. Next up, you can do Ollama list, and it's going to show you all the AI models that you have installed on your PC locally or on cloud. These with :cloud means that it's a cloud AI model and you need to sign up with Ollama. You need to go over the pricing process and then you need to pay for it. It's not a local model, it's a cloud model. So for this video, I would want a local model installed on my PC that I can use it anytime and I do not need to pay for it. For this, I'm going to go over to ollama.com. Then on the top left, I'm going to press on this models. Then I'm going to search for Qwen 3. So right over here in the first link, it says cloud. It has a cloud tag. That means it's a cloud model. It's not the local model. If you scroll down, there's this Qwen 3.6. This is a local model. It does not have a cloud tag in it, but it provides 27B and 35B model parameters, which we do not need. It's going to be very high. It's going to be like 30 GB or something, which we do not want. So we are going to scroll down all the way and we're going to find Qwen 3. This has a 4B model, which we need. So I'm going to press on it. 4B is 4 billion parameters and it's going to be less resource intensive on your PC. It's just going to take like 2.5 gigs of your space. And with 4B, the total RAM it's going to take is like 3 or 4 gigs of RAM. So it is nice if you're using a laptop with 8 gigs of RAM, and it has a context window of 256K, which is also nice. And it would be required if you're using this model with some agent like Herm's agent. They do not want anything below 60K context window. So yeah, this is going to be the best one and the least resource intensive on your laptop or PC. Now, in order to pull it or install it on your PC locally, you just need to copy this model name right here. Go over to your command prompt and then type in Ollama, pull, and then space, and then paste that name right here. Or you can also type it Qwen 3:4B. Now all you need to do is just enter in order to download it. I've already downloaded it over here. So what I'm going to do is download the other one, Qwen 3:0.6B. Then let's enter it and it's going to pull the manifest and download it. It's just going to be 522 MB, which is much better than downloading 2.5 gigs for Qwen 3:4B. But if you're using it for something like Herm's agent, you would need the 4B model. Even the Qwen 3.8B has 40K context window, which is not enough. Okay, once it's done, it's going to give you the success message. Next up, what you could do is Ollama run Qwen 3:0.6B: 0.6B, and then you can press on enter, and then you can talk with the Ollama AI model that you have just downloaded right in this command prompt. So I can just send the message like hi, and it's going to think and give you the response. Now, in case you want to remove this model, let's say you have got both of these installed, 0.6B and 4B, and you go over to the Herm's agent and you're not able to see the 4B model right here, open up command prompt again, run it as an administrator. Now what you need to do is type in Ollama RM and then type in the model name. So for us, it's going to be Qwen 3:0.6B. Then you just need to press on enter and it's going to delete the AI model that you have downloaded. And yeah, that's it. That's how to install models in Ollama on Windows PC locally on your computer. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more guides and fixes on Ollama. See you there. Bye for now.